Hi, this is Tom. I'm here with the Blizzard Bushwhacker. 5 out of 5 for this ski. Comes back from last year with a new graphic, and it's just a rock solid ripper. Metal in it, so it's really stable. Tons of edge hold, and for 88 underfoot, it gets up on edge so effortlessly, and it switches from edge to edge. Short radius turns, long radius turns, anything you want to do, it just kind of intuitively does. Anything from your solid athletic intermediate skier up through your high-end advanced rider could be really happy with these.